Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Jay Hunter Holland coming at you with another helpful tip for professional audio. Today, we're going to be going over how to use the 1176 compressor, which is a very popular unit. Now, this is the software emulation, however, the hardware unit works the exact same way. All right, first knob here is input. This controls how much signal is going through the compressor. And next, we have output. This controls the volume level at the end of the signal flow. Next, we have the attack and release controls. Now, with the 1176 compressor, the faster the number, the faster the effect. So think about it as turning up the speed clockwise. Next, we have ratio, which controls the amount of gain reduction over the threshold. All is a limiter setting. And on older units, you actually pressed in all four of the buttons, but this one has an all button, so you use that. 4, standard compression, more, more, more. Next, you have your meter. Now right here, this is the gain reduction setting on the meter, and you can see how much gain reduction is happening. But if you also want to monitor input and output, you can do that as well. Say if you want to match up the volume going in with the volume going out, and there's also an on-off button. All right. Next, you have revision. So Blackie is the standard version of this compressor, but you can also switch it to Bluey. Now Bluey is a more sensitive and interesting artistic version of the same plugin that has some harmonic distortion that can add some flavor to your mix. That's all there is to it. Appreciate y'all tuning on in. I hope this was helpful, and make sure to view my profile and follow me for more awesome professional audio tips. Thank you.